Speaking of favorites, where'd you get those glasses? All right.
Today we're going to show you, I'm not going to point. I'm not going to point at all in this video because I always go like this.
I go like this. I go, when I'm making a point. If I were ever president, I'd be like,
You're fired.
You're fired.
I don't know what to do with my hands.
Just do this for like 2 minutes. Hi everyone, Sarah and Hillary here, back with another Amazon favorites video. We realize it's been a few months since we've done one, so we figured it's time. We got some new favorites.
Today we're going to show you guys all of our current DIY must-haves.
We got some good ones.
Like these.
If you like this video, or I spit. Oh God.
Yeah, you did. Gross.
Okay, if you like this video while you're watching, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the little notification bell so you never miss an upload. You're not going to want to miss next week's video. Hillary's redoing her half bath. It's going to be amazing. You don't want to miss it.
Should we give them a sneak peek? Okay.
Yes, yes.
Pause. It's business up top today and casual on the bottom.
Work at home.
Oh.
Yeah. Stop it.
This is my wallpaper. Can you see it?
When YouTubers are like, get excited, coming to YouTube near you. Also, if you want more behind the scenes stuff, stop. I hate you.
So much more of this on Instagram.
The dishonest
True.
We started a YouTube channel, why don't we start a band?
What would it be called? The Hair Touch. Always with the hair touch.
Okay.
If you guys want to see more of this behind the scenes chitter chatter with my husband's ex-wife, you know where to find us on Instagram at The Dishonest Truth. Is it right here? Put it right here. Go there. Do it. Click follow. Help us get to a swipe up. I don't know what that was.
Swipe it up! Swipe up! And with that, let's get started.
Let's start with these glasses we're wearing.
Safety first, guys, but looking really adorable second, right?
Okay, we saw these glasses first on Instagram from Hunters of Happiness. If you guys aren't following her, give her a follow. She is like the most genuine, just lovely, cutest person, and we love seeing what she does. And she just redid her whole mudroom. Guys, it's fabulous. Go to her Instagram and check it out. She's the one who turned us on to these glasses and made us look so good while we DIY.
And be safe. Next.
Did you guys catch last week's video? If you missed it, I'm gonna link it in the eye and down below. We paint sprayed my kitchen cupboards, island, cabinets, kitchen island.
This is my new favorite tool purchase of 2021. Hands down.
Comes in this cute little bag. So tote.
Where you can put your dreams and ideas. Okay, honestly, everything you need to know about this is in the video from last week. Like Hillary said, we'll link it in the eye and down below, but this thing is incredible. I love it so much. It's great for small projects around the house, furniture, walls, cabinets. So I won't go on and on about this, but it absolutely is my favorite tool of 2021 so far. Boom, get it, next.
No, before she says next, she needs to make her little noise she makes. Ready? Go. What's your paint sprayer like noise? Every time she talks about that, every time she talks about her paint sprayer, she's like, it's so amazing. It's like,
it's so fun. Not only is it a really great functioning
just
tool,
keep making the noise while I do this. Like, it's like I'm spraying.
Unlike other paint sprayers, this thing can go like in all directions. So
360.
Once this is attached,
360.
hold on, hold please, hold please, hold please. Okay, once,
It's super easy.
I'm just being ridiculous because I have fun.
Okay, good.
thing I love the most about this, I'll just talk about that part, is that you can spray in any direction. Other paint sprayers, you have to paint like this and like
Make your noise while you're doing it.
they don't make that noise. They make this one. You can paint
It's 360. It just says it right there.
You can paint in any direction.
360.
That alone makes me really, really love this thing.
360.
So, if you are in the market for a paint sprayer, this is the one to get. Next,
Gorilla Grip Rug Grippers, pack of 16, patent pending design.
when something says patent pending,
It's really
you know
good.
that's legit.
Add it to your cart. Add to cart. But seriously, these are amazing. My voice cracked. Excuse me. I have a rug in my kitchen, in my dining room, in this room in here, and in my hallway upstairs. They all have one corner, just one corner, you guys. It does not matter what I do, it will not stay flat.
It's like rugs are out to get us.
Yeah, no, and I'll watch my kids and my husband walk by and they'll like hit it and like kind of step on it, and I'm like,
Anger.
ordered these bad boys on Amazon. Amazing.
What do they do?
Okay, let me just show you.
Oh.
Okay, so they go like this.
Okay.
Okay, one side says rug, so you peel this off and you attach it to your rug. The other side is to your floor, and it just goes like this on the corner of your rugs.
And it makes it sticky, right?
So good. Your rug will not go anywhere. Because I have a rug too upstairs in our laundry room that kind of like you step on it and it slides. I feel like I could use these on this, because that rug gripper, like, have you ever used that? You know,
Yeah.
the rug gripper stuff that you put down underneath. Anyway, your rug's not going to go anywhere, guys.
Oh. Add to cart.
Next.
Okay, my next Amazon favorite is this peel and stick tile. I just used it to cover up an entire wall in my kitchen. Well, a corner actually, where my trash can is and stuff gets spilled on the wall. And I'm renting, and so I don't want to spend like $300 on new tile. This is a budget-friendly solution if you're looking for something like a backsplash or to cover up a yucky wall. They're inexpensive and they really look like real tile.
They really do.
And if you're not like a super hardcore DIYer and you don't want to tile yourself, anybody can do this. I love them. If you're looking for a peel and stick backsplash that's classic and budget friendly, add this to your cart. Next.
I shared this on our Instagram.
So-
My DMs were like, Okay, so this isn't necessarily a DIY must-have, but it is an organizational must-have that we found in the last month or so when I was putting away my Christmas decoration. I had so many pillows and throws and different things that I just needed to condense. Guys, these are awesome. It's a vacuum seal bag, okay? You just open it up, throw all your stuff inside.
That's not safe. Don't find them plastic bags at home.
If you're watching children, don't do that.
You shove all your soft stuff in there.
Then, I don't know how that fits. Anyways. Oh, yeah. See, you just put your pillow in there. Close it up.
So like you can like pack a bunch of stuff in there.
Like a bunch of stuff. Close it up. Take this cap. Put your vacuum on there. Suck all your air out. Put your cap back on. Boom.
Shrinks everything down, sit down so small.
And they come in a couple different sizes. This is the extra large, which I found perfect.
The jumbo.
We have a closet that just has loads and loads and loads of blankets in it, and it's driving me bonkers. And my kids are like, but I need that one, and my grandma made this one, and my friend gave me that one. I need them all. They all get to pick however many will fit in one of these bags. We're gonna seal them up, and they're going to the storage unit. Parenting hack.
Next! Okay, my next favorite is hot. Whenever I'm working on a big DIY project, I throw these overalls on. They're comfy. They have pockets. They're Carhartt. If you don't have Carhartt overalls to DIY in, do you even DIY, bro? You don't have these. I'm gonna get Hillary a pair of Carhartt overalls. This is one of my favorite things to wear when I'm DIYing. I actually get tons of people asking me where I got these. They're linked below along with everything else. The little buckle detail that's like super adorable. Love that.
Throw them in your cart already. They had pockets.
They're really durable and they're Carhartt. They're gonna last me forever. They're very well loved. I have no problem getting like paint and crap all over these, and I just love them. So add to cart. And next,
all right, another DIY must-have for painting. These little pyramid paint tripod Star Trek-y looking things.
They're paint pyramids.
Paint pyramids. Okay, these have been used so much that I don't even know what color these originally started. Okay, we're gonna link those for you. These are amazing. You can just set them up and set your projects on this.
And then you can like get all the edges.
Get all the sides. It's awesome. They're great. A must-have.
Next. Okay, my last favorite is something a little bit interesting. For those of you that have painted nails and DIY, you know that your manicure can get quite janky after a woodworking project.
Not only does this girl DIY like cabinets and beds and porch swings, accent walls, she DIYs her nails.
What? Okay, so being stuck at home all year last year, being totally quarantined, I didn't have somebody to do my nails, so I learned how to do them myself.
COVID happened.
Okay.
COVID happened.
This is a gel nail kit. This thing is super affordable, and it's like one of those things I just like to do once or twice a month.
Treat yourself.
It is a total treat yourself moment. So I plug this in, I stick my hand in the LED thing.
She has the best sound effects.
It doesn't make that noise. It literally makes no noise. And it lights up, and then I do my nails, and then they look like this, and then they last for a really long time until I get bored of the color and do a different color. When they get a little jacked up when I'm doing DIY projects, I can just do it myself. It's amazing.
Next! And my last favorite, technically our last favorite, because we use all these tools all the time in all of our DIYs.
It's like a Mary Poppins bag.
It is like a Mary Poppins bag.
Okay, we're huge fans
Sponsor
of
us,
Dual.
Dual.
These are all brushless. All that means is that the motor uses magnets instead of friction, and so it creates less heat in the tools, which makes them more efficient and more reliable long term. They all use the same type of batteries, so the battery's all interchangeable on all of these tools. We've got a drill or driver, jigsaw, multi-tool, orbital sander, and a brat nailer. I have a few others. She's got a few others. You got a freaking jigsaw for Valentine's Day.
I got my husband clothes from Nordstrom's. And he comes walking in and he's like, you got me clothes and I got you tools.
Yes! So the batteries on these things, they're 20 volt. Whenever I've got one tool going, I've got another battery charging, actually 2 or 3 batteries charging. So whenever I buy a tool, I always try to do the tool plus the battery. You can buy just the tool only. And on some occasions I'll buy just the tool, but for the most part I try to find the deal where they include the battery, because you can never have too many batteries. Some of them will have 2 amp hours, some will have up to, I think they go up to 5. The higher the amp hours, obviously the longer the battery will last.
I love this drill because it's light, it's compact, and every home should have a good drill. Even if you're not an extreme DIYer, every home should have a good drill, and this is the one. Leave us a comment and let us know if you want more videos like this, or if you want to know more about these power tools and how they work and what projects we've used them for. Drop a comment down below. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next week.